Let's dive into a new way of thinking about our data, model-based telemetry as code. You know, a lot of us love telemetry. It tells a story about what happened inside a system. But what if it wasn't built for today's biggest challenges, especially with new AI agents? Okay, so the key difference is between operational and strategic data. Most tools focus on the first. And for that strategic data, tools like Excel just don't cut it. They create chaos and data silos. See, the problem is we usually ship telemetry away from the data it's describing to external backends. But here's the big shift. What if telemetry lived with the data as part of the model? So the data doesn't travel. That makes it just telemetry, not telemetry. Observability without the commute. Okay, so let's check out the 5 core benefits this whole approach unlocks. It gets really cool. First up, feature-level traceability. You see not just that a command ran, but exactly what it changed. And that leads to the second benefit. Traces can now last for months or even years. This concept is called diametry. It's perfect for tracking that slow-moving but super high-value strategic data. Third, co-location. Keeping telemetry local means the data is this self-contained, audible package. It lets you show your work. Fourth is omnimetry. Now, your traces can actually propagate across different organizations, even different backends. And number 5, this unlocks forward chaining workflows. You can trigger actions based on the change, not just the state. Here's a great example. An agent can react to the delta itself, not just the new value. This is what unlocks those truly change-driven agentic systems. One thing intelligently kicks off the next. So why does all this matter for experts? Well, it gives them transparency and empowers them to trust these new systems. Ultimately, this is about making data a living source of insight, not just a static asset. So you gotta ask, is your telemetry just looking back, or is it actually building what's next?